Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a recycled notebook or memo. This notebook made of stickers papers. So these are all the stickers papers that I've collected from the backside of the stickers, and we are no longer use these papers, and that's why we will do recycle. And let's jump to the tutorial. I wrap the front side of the carton paper with blue color buffalo paper. And for the back side of the carton paper, I cover the back side with scrap birthday paper. And then I put a glue on the middle part of the carton paper so that the stickers papers will stick to the carton paper for the middle part. Fold and clip the cover and wait until the glue dry. While waiting for the glue dry, you can decorate your notebook's cover.